Speaking of fluids, is CFD hard to learn? I think no. First off, quick answer, no, it's not. And that's because CFD is used to calculate, for example, single phase incompressible flow. I don't know too many mechanical engineers that couldn't learn how to solve a single phase incompressible flow analysis within a day, right? Are they going to fully understand, Navier-Stokes equations? Maybe not fully to the point they could proof it, but certainly to the level where they can understand that it's really just F equals ma, right? Fluids is really just Newtonian physics applied to a special case. So I know a lot of, say, structural engineers who are doing fluids, and if you have the right mindset to do simulation, if you're like me, you grew up playing video games, then you're going to be able to pick up the tools nowadays pretty easily. We have a 3-day CFD class, and that covers turbulence, meshing, and heat transfer. So by Wednesday afternoon on a class, you're ready to go. With Fluent, for example, which has traditionally been labeled as a quote unquote hard tool to learn. So I don't think that CFD in general is hard to learn at all. Now, is your goal to end up doing multi-phase phase change with reactionary flow and chemistry? Well, then you're in for a long haul, right? Because CFD can also solve multiple layers of physics, everything from nano to micro to macro scale, right? And so, in order to get to that problem, right, that level of simulation that's going to match test data is going to take a little while. But anyone who's willing to learn is going to be able to have fun going up that learning curve for sure.